The Eid prayer organized by the Muslim Congress Ijebu Ode local government in conjunction with Zakat and Sadakat Foundation Ijebu Zone was to mark the end of 1445 AH 2024 Eld-El-Fitri. Speaking to the congregation, the chief imam of the Muslim Congress Ijebu Ode, Alhaji Abdurrafiu Barua, centered his sermon on the lessons of Ramadan and the need for all faithful to adhere to the teachings of the holy month. The cleric, who attributed the level of corruption in the country, called for attitudinal change from both the leaders and the citizens for the nation's progress.
The problem and challenge is that we don't see so-called the closer to the Quran. So we not move closer to the Quran and be able to get knowledge of what is expected of us as Muslims. So once we are closer to the Quran, we practice what is in the Quran, definitely we have a peaceful community and we have a peaceful country.
Some worshippers spoke on the benefits of the sermon and the significance of the celebration.
I just want to encourage our brethren, all what the man said, to take it to practice, and encourage our habits, so that either gradually society will change. Without just excess support,
we are asked to continue to be doing what we have done in Ramadan, not to leave aside all the good habits, sadaqah, the greetings to others, recitation of the Quran, observing our nawafis and others.
All the bad things that we have learned during Ramadan, people fornicating, and all the other bad habits that we have learned during Ramadan, we should not go back to them.
Like Ramadan has come to inculcate that taqwa in us. So after Ramadan, we should strive to be steadfast and make sure that all the teaching of Ramadan we imbibe it.
In the spirit of Eld-El-Fitri celebration, Zakat and Sadakat Foundation Ijebu Zone also distributed some gift items to children who were in attendance, as it is being observed annually. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.